Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll explain you how to create a Binance account step by step using the mobile app. You'll also learn how to use key features like peer-to-peer trading and futures trading. Let's begin with the Binance registration process. Before getting started, please make sure the Binance app is already installed on your phone. After the installation finishes, open the Binance app on your device. To start creating your account, tap on Sign Up. You can sign up using either your email address or your mobile number. Check the agreement box at the bottom of the screen. Then press Continue. A verification code will be sent to the email or phone number you selected. Once you receive it, enter the code on the screen. Now, set a password for your Binance account. Your password should be at least 8 characters long, and must include an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and at least one number. After this, you'll see the inviter confirmation screen. Here, make sure to select Yes. Once you choose Yes, you'll be able to enter a referral code. Enter the referral code SKY333 to receive special benefits. This code gives you a 20% discount on trading fees, along with additional bonus rewards. So I highly recommend entering the code before completing your registration. Next, let's move on to identity verification. Identity verification is required to use deposits, trading, and withdrawals on Binance. First, select your country of nationality. Then, choose the type of identification document you'll use. You'll see several options here. Among them, a passport is the most commonly used. Tap Take Pictures to begin the verification. Align your passport within the camera frame, and take a clear photo of the information page. After that, proceed with facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and complete each step one by one. Once finished, your verification request will be submitted. The review usually takes about 1 hour. When it's done, your status will change to verified. Now, let's set up Google Authenticator for extra security. Return to the home screen, tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. Then, tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. Select Security. Choose Authenticator app. Then tap Enable. Complete the email or phone verification if prompted. You'll now see the Authenticator setup screen. Copy the 16-digit key shown on the screen. Next, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After opening the app, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, type Binance. For the key, paste the 16-digit code you copied earlier. Then tap Add. A 6-digit code will now appear. Copy this code, and return to the Binance app. Paste the code into the Authenticator app code field. Once completed, the Authenticator setup is finished. To trade futures, you need to switch to Pro mode. Go back to the home screen again, tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. If you see Binance Pro, tap it to activate Pro mode. Now, let's look at how to add funds using peer-to-peer trading. Tap Assets at the bottom right corner. The Futures wallet is used only for futures trading. The Spot wallet is for holding and trading your main assets. Tap Spot first, then select Add Funds. Here, you'll see multiple deposit options. In this video, we'll focus on peer-to-peer deposits. Tap the button at the top right corner. Choose the currency you want to use. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Most users usually select USDT. Next, tap this button. You can then input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade. Next, tap this button. You can then input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade. You'll then see a list of advertisers. Try to pick sellers with high volume and good reviews. Select one, and tap Buy. Some advertisers may require verification. Enter the amount you'd like to buy. Before moving on, take a moment to review the advertiser's information. When everything looks good, tap Place Order. After the order is created, the seller's profile and bank details will be displayed on your screen. Before sending any money, open the chat and read the instructions carefully. As you make the transfer, double-check that the account holder's name and account number match exactly. Now, complete the payment using your chosen method. Once the transfer is finished, tap Upload Payment Proof. Add at least one screenshot or receipt as proof of payment. After uploading the proof, check the consent box at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Transferred, and select Notify Seller to inform the advertiser. The USDT will be released and sent to your spot wallet shortly. Next, I'll guide you through trading on Binance Futures. Before placing any futures trades, you'll need to move your assets from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Start by opening your spot wallet. From there, select Transfer. Set the transfer direction from spot wallet to USD and futures. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to move, then enter the amount you'd like to transfer. After a short moment, the funds will appear in your futures wallet. To access the futures market, tap Futures at the bottom right of the screen. The futures trading interface will now load. At the top left corner, tap the trading pair area to select a coin. For this example, I'll go with Cust. Next, adjust the margin mode. In cross mode, your entire margin balance is shared across positions. With isolated mode, only a specific amount is assigned to one position. For new users, isolated mode is generally the safer choice. Now, set your leverage. Binance allows leverage up to 150 times. While higher leverage can boost potential gains, it also increases the risk significantly. If you're just getting started, keeping leverage low is a safer approach. Next, decide the direction of your trade. If you expect the price to go up, select Buy. If you believe the price will fall, choose Sell instead. Here, you can see how much margin is available. Just below, tap to select the order type. You can choose between limit and market orders. Enter the order price and quantity. If you're aiming for a price increase, tap Buy Long. If you're expecting a drop, tap Sell Short. To monitor your trades, at the bottom to check your active positions. The ROI shows your current return. The entry price displays your average entry point. The mark price reflects the current market reference price. The liquidation price indicates where the position will be closed automatically. To manage risk, tap TPSL to set take profit and stop loss levels. When you're ready to exit the trade, tap the Close button. Choose whether to close at market price or a limit price. Enter the closing price and amount. Then tap Confirm. Once confirmed, the position will be fully closed. In this video, I walked you through setting up a Binance account on mobile and using both peer-to-peer and futures trading. Everything was explained step by step to make it easy to follow. If you have any questions, or if something wasn't clear, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to respond as quickly as possible. Thanks so much for watching until the end.